everyone. I'm so lucky to introduce our Lvsun. We are manufacturer for the USB-C charger station and charging cards.
So this is not a fridge?
Yeah.
What is this?
This is charging cabinets. It's based on 32 ports USB-C charger station, and each one supports 100 watts.
Each one all together at the same time?
Yeah.
How can you put so much power in there?
So each one can charge one laptop and tablet, PC, mobile phone at the same time, and it can charge 32 devices. 32 devices.
What is a system that can make it work in there? There's a big transformer, like a power system in there?
It's
a lot of power.
Supply. Yeah, power for the charging. Yeah.
All right. Here you have a smaller one.
Yeah, this is smaller one for the 16 USB-C charging cabinets.
Each one 100 also?
Yeah, each one for 100 watts.
At the same time?
Yeah.
All right. And then you have smaller one here.
These cables. Yeah. And for this cable, can be exchangeable, different color. Red color means charging, and green color means complete.
Nice.
Yeah.
So you have LED.
Finished. Yeah.
And then you have a multiple.
Yeah, multiple USB-C charging station, and the total power is 215 watts. Also,
wow.
Each one supports 100 watts.
That's a lot of power.
Yeah, so powerful. Good for charging laptop, smartphone,
I like those
and
cables.
tablets.
Those Type-C?
Yeah, Type-C. Yeah, Type-C charging.
How far it can go?
Yeah, it's 2 meters.
Really?
Yeah, 2 meters.
It's not dangerous?
Yeah.
Not dangerous.
Yeah, no
right.
danger, safety.
And here you have a bunch of chargers.
Wall charger. Especially, you can exchangeable different plugs. It's travel charger.
Is it GAN?
Yeah, GAN, JN charger.
Nice. And then you have more and more chargers all around?
Yeah.
What is this one?
And this power bank.
With the wireless?
Yeah, wireless charger. Also support 100 watts. 100 watts support charger the laptop.
Nice.
Yeah.
Is this also?
This is for the mobile phone charger and also charger tablets.
Nice.
Yeah, desktop charger.
What is the highlight you want to show?
Power supply. Yeah, DC charging. And this total 20 USB-C charger station with the DC cable and connect the power supply. 1,000 watts. 1,000 watts. Yeah, can be put in the charging cabinet.
Is it dangerous?
It's very safety.
Safety.
Yeah, 500 watts.
All right, so Lvsun
Yeah,
does not get too
Lvsun.
hot. Then it's plugged in there.
AC cable. And this is 1,000 watts.
Nice. So
yeah. You can
what's
see
the history of your company? How old is your company?
25 years.
Always making chargers?
Yeah, charging power bank, laptop adapters, and the camera charger, all of the power supply.
Imagine every pixel, every sound. Enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.